Thula bandle. Umfana kagama lona, welcome to More Zion Music. Abona ngizishana ngethakini because indaba yanamhlanje is very serious. Anyway, welcome to More Zion Music. Welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music. Basically, just trying to break down my lyrics because half of the time I'm but I try to break them down. Basically, your Zion music analyst. Astume. Anywho, what I wanted to say. Oh yeah, before we get into this, thank you guys for everybody that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, so that my videos can get around. And mostly, don't forget to comment. So namhlanje we are reacting to All Nation Christian Church. Inkosi sibekezelele. Sonke inkosi sibekezelele. Yeah. I don't know when this video was shot, but it looks like a year or two. I'm sorry, it needs like a year or two. So yeah, let's get to it. Bazongikhalisa la bantu laba. Okay. Hayi. Hayibo. Hey. How are they singing so loud but yet so soft? Abantu bakhwela phezulu mara phansi. Yo. So what? Suruh that word. Iqinisweni lani manje? Yo. Hey. Ezo abantu bacula ngakhona yabona nami ngifuna ukurasa because manje ucula phansi. Yeah, nami ngifuna ukurasa. Khulumela phansi. Uke wena molalisa umntwana. Remember so. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. That's how I feel. Those guys, angifuni ukurasa hle Nkosi yami. Kumila fans and I try to be sentimental and all but Soze Nangasmin. But anyway, you hi pen. And it's Sisaya Jan. Sisaya. Hi guys. Hi man. Yo. Hey. Hey, nayi All Nation. Nayi All Nation ifika qhaqa nje. Okay, so I'm taking ukuthi inkosi sibekezelele kuthina while sifuna ukwazi iqiniso ngayo. In context, what I'm thinking, I hope I'm thinking it right. Sometimes we talk about and aksiyi. You know, in life it happens ukuthi we can be astray from God. It happens where you become so astray from God, or you want to find God. You want to know God for being true. You want to know the true God. Ukuthi inature yakhe yini? Unani? Nani. Kodwa sonke sigijimisa into eyi-one la. Sonke sigijimisa salvation. Right? Angazi ngesiZulu yini. Kodwa Yabona ngisho nami tone right now okay siqale la. All Nation I did not know. I did not know. Dala ngibone All Nation ngingayinaki. I was always looked at it and I was like, kanti ngisincishe into ekanje. Number 1. I-bass yabo intact. I-leader yabo, I love i-leader who plays around with the song. I-first part yabo, yo, this lady's not even trying to raise her voice, but she's so audible. You understand? So proud of that. I'm not gonna lie. Or sitting back because I know obviously back as someone who sings and then not foot. That whoever that guy is, yay, listen. And then the alto yabo, look man. Oh my god. Like the way bayiphusha kancane like bayayincenga as abajahanga ndawo. Wow. Inkosi umfanekiso wakho something ukuxolela ngoba thina sahluleka. Yo. Hey, indaba yokuxolela. Yabona that topic. Baba singumfanekiso kwakho. Sehlulele. Ngoba sahluleka ukwenza nje. I don't know. I'm trying to get that part, but I know it says singumfanekiso wakho kodwa sahluleka ukuyenza njengawe. Woo! That's a bar. That is a bar. That is a damn bar. That you. Athi baba singumfanekiso wakho kodwa sahluleka ukuyenza njengawe. Yes. Come on now. Ngitshe ngathi njengoba ngishaya ithakini namhlanje ibucayi le ndaba namhlanje. I very. Woo. Do you know? And do you know the truth behind the song? Like like. Oh my god! Oh, you. So uNkulunkulu uthi asidala umuntu ngomfanekiso wethu, likeness. We were supposed to be like God, but we are failing. We are. That's why bathi Baba sibeke inkosi sibekezelele. Now I get the song. Oh my goodness. Asikho njengawe. Siyahluleka. You are basically admit you. Hi. Oh, siyahluleka ukwenza njengawe. Oh. I'm trying to get what they're saying. Yeah. Imagine these people singing this song at the funeral. Like, they're not. Listen, I've had a privilege to attend funerals in my life. Ngiyazizwa le ngoma enithi baba sicula ethuneni or yeah at the funeral certain songs indicate ukuthi no hayi lo muntu ushonile. There is a song ebabayicula ngomncwabo ka-Antwam ethi nje ithi le ngoma le lo baba khona wayicula naye he has passed on something ledwala or something ethuneni vula kwethuna something. That man sang that song for like 30 minutes straight. His voice didn't crack. My point is, as Zion, we half of the time we don't sing for enjoyment. Yes, the song is nice, but listen to what it's saying. Imagine singing in Zomeso and tuning. Even when attend that tuning, you like you like, damn. See last begumuntu. We are all fighting to be better. But yet the person osenze njengaye as if we're not even close to being like him. Yet singumfanekiso like bruh, like dude, are you Wow. Okay. When was this video shot? I think the video was shot in 20 last year. Okay, no, I was not really impressed with Fespata. Fespata is very soft. She's very soft. She has a good voice, but she's very soft, man. You know. Njengoba ngisho mina nangazi mina ngifuna Fespata ngizwa. Yabona, she's very soft. But I cannot take away her singing. She can sing. She has a beautiful voice. She's soft. For me personally, no, she's soft. Rebecca Yabo was doing a phenomenal job because Nyamuza almost every now and then. The Alto Yabo is standard. Listen, it's standard. They sound like one person. No one's trying to outsing or no one's trying to outshine anyone. Ipesi Yabo is nice and intact, and I love the fact to good team. There's even younger people there. This Futo Sabo, they play around with it. They went from Futa A1 per beat to 2 per beat. And itena yabo standard tena like most churches. And I'm seeing this just there. We are Izwa. What else? What is the leader? Oh my god. Big up to him. Dog, the message of that song. Nkosi sibekezelele ekulazeni iqiniso. And then the second part, I'm not gonna say it the way they sang it, but the second part is singumfanekiso wakho kodwa sahluleka. Also umfanekiso kwakho sithethelele. I think I heard sithethelele, but umfanekiso kwakho, main point is umfanekiso kwakho kodwa sahluleka ukwenza njengawe. Oh my god. You know, we can talk about the goodness of God all we want. What I love in Zion, of all the Christianity, a corner. What I love about Zion is the truth behind it. It's not always talking about, yeah, you have it. No, no, no. Talking about how you are supposed to be as an individual, how you're supposed to carry yourself. People get carried away. Trust me, people get carried away. But then you have to remind yourself, Uguti, who am I? What am I doing? What am I called for? And once you start doing that, ile nto kuthiwa uba umfanekiso that's why yabona iZion siphiliswa into ehlukile. Khona abaphiliswa yizwi, khona abaphiliswa ukukhuleka, khona abaphilisa ukukhulekisa abantu, bese khona ebaphiliswa ukucula kwakhona. One thing about Zion or Christian in general, it will cater. It will cater for everyone. There are people abafana nami so iBhayibheli. Ngilazi ngoba vele kithi nje liyaziwa nje iBhayibheli, so but angilazi word for word. But when someone speaks to me, I'll be like, yeah, this says that, da da da. From Abraham to our Lord, we even go further to abo Mary. Like, not Mary, Jesus' mother, the other lady. Listen, stories about Moses all the way to Revelation. Yeah, listen, man. Mina ngiphila iBhayibheli ngesummary. But point is, listen to the message. Forget ubumnandi bengoma. Listen to the message behind the song. I'll tell you. So, guys, if you do like the content on this YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also don't forget to give me a recommendation. It really helps me a lot to get around and to also know more churches. I understand that, and they expose me, and also I get to expose other people as well. So, yo, in the favorite videos to Jupiter, adios.